Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Just a quick update. Not much changed since yesterday. Actually, nothing. Nothing has changed. The price moved from support into resistance. It's normally what we want to see. Obviously, we are tracking here two Elliott wave structures. Yeah, it could be something different, but for now, I'm tracking two bullish structures. And as I said before, if the price breaks below the lower support region, here at 2,200, so that's the support for the slightly more bearish count, then the next step would be to test, then the next step would be to test 1,800. So at the moment I'm just watching, and I'm presenting it like that, to see if the market can generate some kind of an upside reversal in this support region here, either the upper one or the lower one, here on the micro level. So in the first scenario, which is the white one, we're tracking a direct move to the upside as a diagonal pattern, 1, 2. Then this here was an A, B structure, and we could start wave C to the upside soon. And then this would complete wave 3, and then we get another 4, 5 pattern. This would be probably the most direct bearish wave count. In this scenario, we're already in the third wave. It should take us to $3,000 and higher. And yeah, overall, we could watch for higher prices, but only if, well, I shouldn't say that, but really, well, okay, the invalidation point here is the low of the wave 2. That is at $2,313. And any break below it would invalidate the white structure. The ideal support for this scenario already ends at 2,390. So it might very well be that a low has been struck already, but it can't be confirmed yet. It would take a break above resistance at 2,569. And until we get a break above resistance, we might see one more low. And depending on how low it goes, it's either the white count or the yellow one, which is a slightly different structure. Pretty much also a bullish scenario. I just want to make sure it's clear that even if we break below the upper support region, there's still one more support region for a different, let's say of a different variation of this diagonal pattern. It might unfold slightly differently, and it would just, it would just mean we are still in a wave 2. So all of this was a wave 1. This here is a wave 2 pullback. Support in this case is defined at 2,200, and then from there we could still move higher. In whichever scenario it is, at the moment there is no sign that a low has formed. Yes, we had a bit of a rally, a bit of a move into resistance, but that's pretty much it. What would be needed now is a break above the trend line, which I added today, and a break above resistance. This here still looks too corrective to me. So there's nothing structurally or in terms of break of resistance or anything that would indicate that a low has formed. Okay, yes, we reacted to support. Yes, we rallied into resistance, but it's a very fragile chart at the moment. And I would want to see for further confirmation that really one of these bullish scenarios is unfolding. I would want to see a break above resistance, and then we also need to see some kind of an impulse to the upside, okay? I'd say for most clarity, we would get one more low and then a small impulse to the upside. If it rallies now, we only have 3 waves down from this high. That would allow for an extended B wave, okay? And then this B wave might form like an A, no, 1 second. It would be, I mean, yeah, we could say, look, this was an A wave, this is a B wave, we do the C wave of wave B, and then do this, and then, so it would just mess it all up again. Best would be one more low, then we have 5 waves down that could complete the white B wave, because the C wave of wave B could be a 5-wave move, and we could just move higher from there. But yeah, I think, don't worry so much about the microstructure, don't worry so much about whether there's one more low or not. Just focus on resistance, okay? I'm tracking the trend line here. It has 5 to 6 touch points. It's quite meaningful. And we've got this resistance box. We're quite deep in resistance, but still we haven't broken it. So there's no evidence for a low at this stage, but seems like Ethereum reacted a little bit better than Bitcoin to this support region, rallied a little bit more, and already nearly maxed out the wave 4 resistance. I think Bitcoin hasn't done that at this stage. So just these are the parameters to watch for today. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.